everyone, it's me, Jean from Trinity Consultancy Abu Dhabi Head Office. We are with Miss Colleen right now. Na-receive niya po ang kanyang work permit from the timeline of just 3 months. So, nandito po siya para i-share sa atin ang kanyang naging experience from February 26 up to now. So, Miss Colleen, congratulations first of all for receiving your work permit. Please, paki-share po sa ating mga kababayan kung anong naging experience niyo kay Trinity.
Thank you, Miss Jean. At first, I was searching na kung saan ako pwedeng mag-apply or somebody na pwedeng tumulong sa akin. And then, nakita ko si Trinity na marami din yung mga testimonies na napanood ko. Na sabi nga nila, maganda dito and okay po. And then, nag-try kami pumunta once, like, ang February. Tapos, after that, nakilala ko si Mr. Ritik. Siya yung isa sa talagang supportive nung umpisa and nag-explain ng lahat. After noon, like, sobrang bilis lang po nung mangyari. Parang, in one snap, andyan na agad yung work permit na inaabangan namin. So, sobrang supportive and sobrang helpful talaga nung Trinity sa akin.
Maraming salamat po. Again, congratulations. Soon, mid of June, most probably will be moving for appointment po ng Hungary. Open po ang slots, so nothing to worry about it. I-update natin sila sa susunod na kabanata kung kailan natin makukuha ang iyong visa. Ano po? So, congratulations. Hope to get it done soon para makamove ka na as soon as possible. Thank you, Miss Colleen.
Thank you, Miss.